Think you can outrun a predator? Fearful face, these 15 animals are faster than you. The cheetah is the fastest land mammal, built for explosive bursts of speed. A lion may look slow, but when it charges, this massive predator explodes into action. African wild dogs combine speed, teamwork, and endurance to wear their prey down. A gray wolf may not be the fastest, but a whole pack can chase prey relentlessly. The leopard doesn't need a long chase, it relies on stealth, surprise, and explosive speed. A tiger can explode into a powerful sprint when it finally commits to the chase. The dhole is a fast wild dog that becomes even more dangerous when the whole pack hunts together. Coyotes are incredibly quick runners, and their speed helps them chase prey across open ground. The serval hunts with incredible precision, using long legs to leap at prey hidden in grass. The caracal can launch from hiding and leap high enough to snatch birds out of the air. The jaguar combines speed with incredible power, making every attack brutally explosive. Spotted hyenas are built for pursuit, using speed and stamina to keep pressure on prey. Those ridiculously long legs help the maned wolf move quickly across South America's open grasslands. The red fox may look cute, but it's a quick little predator built for sudden bursts. The tiny kit fox may be small, but its speed helps it survive the harsh desert. Which one would you never want chasing you?